Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Morgan, the Ryker chick. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you on day 4 of our Ryker road trip through the Blue Ridge Parkway. Let's go. Okay you guys, so we woke up this morning at Peaks of Otter Lodge. It is very beautiful here. I'll show you the sunrise here. We have a beautiful, crisp, and chilly morning today. It's in the 40s. I'm going to be going down and getting some breakfast, and then we're going to be hitting the road about 9 o'clock. Today's destination is Shenandoah National Park. All right, let's get going. Lodge in Shenandoah National Park. It was a long day of riding, not as long as previous days, but we're learning that there's something called mountain mile denial. If that's not a phrase already, I'm coining it, because that is when you naively believe that the miles that you have to travel on mountain roads mean anything in terms of time, other than it's going to take you a lot longer to get there. We only had like 130 miles to go. We left Peaks of Otter around 9:30, and we just got here now, and it's like 4:30 now. So we did some stopping. We stopped for lunch. When you're going 35 miles an hour on mountain roads that are twisting and turning, then it's going to take you longer to get there. Just something to always keep in mind. But beautiful scenery, absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to go explore a little bit. I can show you my room. These are very rustic accommodations, but very clean and very cute. We're out here in the wilderness, in the park, and it's really nice. Let's go take a tour. Okay, so this is our cabin here, and it's literally just 2 full-size beds, like right when you walk in. A little dressing table. And a bathroom. You know, it's older. I think I saw this building was built in 1946. But I mean, you know, it's clean and it's you know, it looks comfortable. I love these little quilts on the beds here. I think these are so cute. They're mountains and trees and little bears and things like that. And yeah, so Big Meadows Lodge. When my mom was booking these accommodations, apparently we got like some of the last rooms that were left. So that is why we have some full beds in here, because there just weren't any other like king or queen beds available. So it's fine. It's one night. It's cozy. It's a clean place to sleep and take a shower and get a good night's sleep before we hit the road again tomorrow. But I'm taking you up to the main part of the lodge. We'll explore around a little bit and I'll show you the view, because apparently the view is really nice. So let's go. So we're walking up to the main lodge right now, right where the restaurant and everything is. But as you can see, there's all kinds of little cabins and groupings of housing all along here. And that's where all the accommodations are. So pretty good number of people here. I see a pretty good number of motorcycles and people with pets. So that's pretty cool. There's my mom and dad's bikes right there. They're staying somewhere up there. Lots of beautiful color around here. So yeah, it's cool. What do you think?
Yep.
Yep, you heard it here first. There's a tap room downstairs with a bar and pizza. So this is where we are. Guys, so we just finished up having dinner up at the restaurant at the lodge, and we just got our bikes tucked in for the night. We are going to get up in the morning, have breakfast, and then we're heading to Floyd, Virginia. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Make sure you have your notification bell on so you never miss a future upload. And until next time, you guys ride safe, be kind, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!